Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, unlock the phone and open settings or pull down the quick panel. You need screen rotation controls visible. That saves time. On iPhone, swipe down from the upper right and look for lock rotation. On Android, swipe down twice to expand and find auto rotate. Once done, make sure settings display is ready in case a toggle is inside. If you see auto rotate enabled, you're in the right place. Toggle controls are next. Now you actively change the setting. Tap the auto rotate tile or rotation lock icon. This immediately forces portrait orientation. The system stops switching to landscape. On Android, if a quick tile hides, edit the quick panel to add auto rotate. On iPhone, tapping rotation lock shows a padlock with a circular arrow. Once toggled off, rotate the device 90 degrees. Make sure the UI stays in portrait. If an app still rotates, move to the app-specific setting next. Finish by confirming the change in the apps you use. Some video or mapping apps override system rotation. Open that app and disable its internal rotation option. If the toggle looks stuck, restart the phone to apply the change cleanly. Make sure software is up to date. OS bugs can affect rotation behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if rotation still misbehaves, go to Accessibility or Display Settings and use Forced Rotation Controls or Reset Settings. This usually fixes stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.